this is also one of the teams that in the last couple of years has really just launched to the top of the series, and so they've done a great job of organizing their team and putting all the right resources behind it, and obviously have an outstanding engineering program there at Purdue.
There it is. Beautiful line through turn 9. And I really like what we are seeing out of this robot. Good decision making, very smooth. There's no jerking. There's no second guessing the lines. This looks proper.
Absolutely, yeah. This team is just doing a wonderful job. The car is very smooth. It's very difficult to do this, by the way. To have the steering be very smooth through these situations, and to have it just look like it's just running as you'd expect, right? It's very hard to do this. It's taken many, many, many miles of development to get here.
And I am very impressed with the poise and maturity that we have seen from this still relatively young team.
I want to say a word. Purdue University, over the last 12 months, has gone through a total reorganization of their team. And what this shows you is that if you put the right ingredients together, you get the right talent, the right faculty involvement, the right support all the way from the top, from the president of the university, the dean, the alumni, the industry sponsors, you can see an exponential jump in performance. This is a team that 2 years ago was really struggling to participate in this competition, and now they're if not the top, certainly one of the top teams in the U.S. And they came in second by just less than a second, which is just incredible against the longtime champs of Polymove MSU. So, second place, the Purdue Autonomous Racing Team. Go Boilers!